Dude, rat rods everywhere. And they're drag racing in the freaking dirt, son.
It's unreal.
Yeah.
They got giant freaking
That freaking
cannonball thing.
They all seem like they're real cool people. They got a truck out here like a tank that shoots cannonballs through vans.
Oh, it's
Hey,
awesome.
look at these people racing. Then we got dirt racing. Woo!
It's so awesome.
Oh, yeah.
So awesome.
How awesome is this?
Oh, that's
thing,
sweet.
dude? This show's awesome.
Oh,
We just
yeah.
got here and there's cool crap
Everywhere.
It's a convertible, son.
Heck yeah.
You get hot, just whip off the top.
Right, my head may stick out of that
Yeah,
thing.
yours probably would. This is the coolest shifter I've ever seen in my life.
Holy
Check
cow. What do you think, Joe?
That's sweet.
Heck yeah.
Dude, check that thing out. Look at the exhaust on it, Rob. Alright, boys. I got the one on the left, Rob. Look at him spinning, son. Oh, yeah, get it. Oh! Dude, how cool is that? Look how low it is. Oh, this
Slam.
Yeah. Hey, Rob, I don't think that black truck is way too nice for this.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Which one you calling, John?
I like the one on the right, the big one.
Yeah, I think that buggy's like
You realize how much that 55 Chevy's
yeah.
worth, and he's out here racing in this dirt.
Right.
People would die to have that car. The other car throwing dirt all over him.
It's definitely a show for clean vehicles.
Oh no, but the guy in the 55 don't care.
He don't care.
Listen, man, we don't care. Slam, supercharging, jamming gears everywhere. Turbos pulling, tires smoking nation. Welcome to the boosted
Look at the
generation.
mud on the stacks. I was not expecting that at all.
I put a 5.9 Cummins turbo on it.
Oh,
4-cylinder, 3.9 Zuzu.
yeah.
So it's all the Zuzu cat.
It looks like it's running pretty good. It's so cool, dude. See the face. Oh, dude, that's a perfect name for a hearse. Used body parts.
Oh, gosh.
So cool. Dude, let's open it up and see if there's a real body in there. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Oh.
Burst in the air, we don't care.
Bodacious pumpkin shooter.
Dude, they're getting ready to shoot. Are they shooting pumpkins?
It looks
It's
like
them cars over there.
it looks like bowling balls.
Oh, it's bowling balls?
Yeah, see them sitting on the ground.
Oh my God.
What do you think's gonna win, Joe? The bowling ball or the vehicle?
Neither.
Steering.
What are the, there's the old cannon drill. That was awesome. It's like a tank.
Yeah,
You know what I
yeah,
mean?
really.
3, 2, 1.
Here's the aftermath.
Hey, we could have used this van to road trip in.
Oh, no joke. Gosh. I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh!
Down the freaking pole.
That's awesome.
Woo!
Still a bowling ball in it.
What? Yeah.
Oh, wait, that's Joe's head.
Yeah. That's a lot bigger than a bowling ball.
Burst in the air, we don't care. Slam, supercharged, and jamming gears everywhere. Turbos pulling, tires smoking nation.
What's that thing, Rob? What
Yeah.
is that? What did they do, donut?
Listen, man, we don't care. Slam, supercharging, jamming gears everywhere. turbos pulling, tires smoking nation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Rev those engines, let's roll together. Cruising the streets, this is boosted behavior. Supercharged and jamming gears everywhere. Tires smoking nation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Rev those engines, let's roll together. Cruising the streets, this is boosted behavior.
Might be a little dusty in there after that, Joe.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Burst in the air, we don't care. Slam supercharged and jamming gears everywhere. Turbo spooling, tire smoking nation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Rev those engines, let's roll together. Cruising the streets, this is boosted behavior. Rev those engines, let's roll together. Cruising the streets, this is boosted behavior. Those engines, let's roll together. Cruising the streets, this is boosted behavior. Burst in the air, we don't care. Slam supercharged and jamming gears everywhere. Turbo spooling, tire smoking nation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Rev those engines, let's roll together. Cruising the streets, this is boosted behavior. Rev those engines, let's roll together. Cruising the streets, this is boosted behavior.
Wow, that's actually a super nice car.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It's straight. They're running her in the dirt. They got a whole handful of people in there. Holy cow. What's up, y'all? How you
Heck
doing?
yeah, dude. We can't believe you're running this thing out
Yeah,
there.
we're like, he's awesome.
This
He
guy's
ain't
so
good,
cool.
man. I bought this for 69, boys. Smoky Joe's.
Oh, heck yeah.
Hey, one thing about it, you're enjoying it. Let's run the Granada, bud.
There you go.
Hey, Rob, check out the shifter in that thing. It's like from a semi.
Oh yeah.
We seen this thing up there at the Lake of the Ozarks last weekend. It's awesome. Rob, I'm about to starve out, son. We gotta find a food truck.
Heck yeah. Holy
Hey,
cow, that
don't
thing's thick.
tell anybody, but it's a free sample. Look how good them look, dude.
Oh my
Oh
god.
yeah, that's awesome.
Heck yeah.
Hey, what's this red stuff?
It's the
Dip it in
consomme. Dip your taco.
Dip it
All right, I got it.
Rob, there's one more. You got to
Dang it, Joe, quit. All right, I'll take it. Put it in my face.
Dude, these are good, but the taco place.
Oh.
Hey,
Unreal.
Hey, best, whatever them was.
Bury ya.
Yeah, that's what I said. Best, whatever. Them were awesome.
Oh yeah.
They got it going on, and they're super cool people. Like,
Oh, coolest
their
people.
Personalities awesome.
Oh yeah.
Supercharged and jamming gears everywhere. Turbo spooling, tire smoking nation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Welcome to the boosted generation.
Hey, dude, I'm filming you.
I'm
filming me.
Hey.
Whoop,
Whoop. What'd you find, John?
This, we're buying it from him. He wants to trade the bird turd. We can't do that, but we could have this pulling the bird turd.
Oh heck yeah.
Seriously, look at them seats in there, dude.
Oh, we'd be comfy city.
I will mail you the check.
Just don't cash it.
Yeah, yeah.
Tire smoking nation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Welcome to.
That's a real dead body, they said. Just pulled it out of that hearse. Let's do this. Oh, here we go. Oh, fucking gasket. He lost
Oh, the
the
gasket
gasket
came
like
out.
100% real.
The guy's spraying out the gasket.
What?
Dude,
That's
that is
funny.
awesome.
We don't kill slams, overcharge jamming gears everywhere.
Dude, if they hit that, it's gonna come over here. We don't need to be standing. If they hit that, it's coming this way.
Overcharged and jamming gears everywhere. Turbo spewing, fire smoking nation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Welcome to the boosted generation. Grab those engines, let's roll together. Streets, this is boosted behavior. Burst in the air, we don't care. Slam supercharged and jamming gears everywhere. Turbo spewing, fire smoking nation. Welcome to
The
the
curve feelers are made out of rebar. Golly, dude. Hey, look at the curtains on this thing, son. Look at the dash. Dang, I like it. Dude. Gosh dang, that thing's so cool.
Oh, they're gonna launch it now, John boy.
Dude, we're getting ready to shoot. They're getting ready to shoot a freaking bowling ball way up there.
Oh, it's already ready.
Hang on, man. For it, hell.
This is boosted behavior.